Hey everybody! So in this short video, we are going to explore the quick replies feature. Now what this is designed to do is save you time. If you're like most people, you probably find yourself sending out the same messages day after day. You get asked the same questions, you're manually typing out your messages to get back to people. So why not create templates to save yourself some time in the future? And then you can click a button and simply reply to people. Now what you can do is you can create templates for text message replies, email replies, video email replies, and even ringless voicemails. Now you can see I have quite a few messages here in my template library. Let's go ahead and build one together. I'm going to go to New Template. Now I just got to tell the system what type of quick reply am I creating. Is it a text, a voicemail, an email, or a video? In this example, we'll create a text, and we're going to give it a title, just something that will easily jog our memory in the future when we want to use this template. So I'll just say phone number. My number is 867-5309. Now I can go ahead and save this as a template, and it will appear in my template library. Now let's go ahead and look at a real use case for this. Let's go over to our inbox, and currently I'm having a conversation with Sarah. Now if I want to give my phone number to Sarah, and I don't want to have to manually type this out, I'm just going to go to Add Saved Reply. I'm going to find that template. Here it is right here. And it just inserted it into the message for me. Go ahead and hit send, and that message is off. Now this is a pretty simplified example, but there are a million scenarios where it may make sense to create a template for yourself, especially if you get to the point where you're sending out video emails, because that can be a very powerful tool. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out, but I think you're going to love this feature.